Let's understand how a fresh air handling unit or FAHU works step by step. Step 1. Fresh air inlet. The FAHU brings fresh outdoor air into the building through the fresh air inlet. Before entering deeper into the unit, this air normally passes through filters to remove dust and other particles. Step 2. Return or extract air. At the same time, warm and stale air is extracted from the occupied spaces and returned toward the FAHU. Depending on the system design, this air is mainly used for heat recovery before being exhausted outside. Step 3. Heat recovery section. The fresh outdoor air and the outgoing exhaust air pass through a heat recovery device, such as a heat recovery wheel or plate heat exchanger. Heat energy is transferred between the two air streams without intentionally mixing them. This reduces the load on the cooling or heating system and saves energy. Step 4. Cooling coil. After heat recovery, the fresh air passes through the cooling coil. Chilled water or refrigerant inside the coil removes heat from the air. The air temperature drops and moisture can also condense on the coil, helping to dehumidify the fresh air. Step 5. Supply fan. The supply fan then pulls or pushes the conditioned fresh air through the FAHU and into the supply duct system. This air is distributed to the occupied spaces or to other HVAC equipment depending on the building design. Step 6. Exhaust air. After the return air gives up or receives heat in the heat recovery section, the exhaust fan sends the stale air outside the building. So remember the basic FAHU airflow. Fresh air inlet to filter, to heat recovery, to cooling coil, to supply fan, to building. And on the exhaust side, return or extract air, to heat recovery, to exhaust fan, to outside. The main job of a FAHU is to provide clean, conditioned, fresh air while removing stale air and recovering useful energy before it is exhausted. Easy memory. Fresh air comes in, gets filtered, recovers energy, gets cooled, supply fan sends it to the building. Stale air comes back, gives up energy, gets exhausted out. A FAHU is especially important in buildings where fresh air ventilation, humidity control, indoor air quality, and energy efficiency are required. If this FAHU explanation helped you, hit like, subscribe to Technology Advanced M4H, and turn on the bell for more HVAC training videos. Comment FAHU if you want the next detailed HVAC lesson.